Welcome to today's tutorial on the latest irrigation farming technology. If you're a farmer looking to maximize water efficiency, improve crop yields, and promote sustainable farming practices, this video is for you. We'll explore advanced systems like drip irrigation, pivot sprinklers, and IoT-based water management tools. Stick around for a bonus tip on how to choose the right technology for your specific farm needs. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other farmers. Let's start with drip irrigation systems, a modern solution designed to conserve water and deliver nutrients directly to plant roots. How it works. Drip lines with small emitters release water slowly and precisely where it's needed, reducing runoff and evaporation. Benefits. Save up to 50% more water compared to traditional methods, improve soil health, and reduce weed growth. Installation tips. Lay drip lines close to plants and use a filter to prevent clogging. Regular maintenance is essential for long-term efficiency. Pro tip. Use a fertigation system to integrate fertilizer with drip irrigation for even better results. Let me know in the comments if you're using drip irrigation. Next up, center pivot sprinklers, an ideal solution for large-scale farming operations. How it works. These systems use a rotating sprinkler arm to cover circular fields efficiently. Advantages. Provide even water distribution, reduce labor costs, and work well for crops like wheat, corn, and alfalfa. Automation options. Many systems now come with automated controls for adjusting water flow and spray angles. Pro tip. Pair your pivot sprinkler with soil moisture sensors to avoid overwatering. If this is something you're considering, hit the thumbs up button. Let's talk about how technology is revolutionizing irrigation with IoT-based solutions, smart sensors, devices that monitor soil moisture, temperature, and weather conditions in real time. Mobile integration. Control irrigation systems remotely through smartphone apps, ensuring water is applied efficiently. Data analytics. Use analytics platforms to understand water usage trends and make informed decisions for future planting. Pro tip. Choose an IoT system that integrates with your existing irrigation setup for a seamless transition. If you're interested in learning more about IoT in farming, let me know in the comments. Here are some additional innovations promoting sustainable irrigation practices. Rainwater harvesting systems capture and store rainwater for irrigation, reducing dependency on groundwater. Subsurface irrigation. Place drip lines below the soil surface to minimize evaporation and improve root absorption. Solar-powered pumps use renewable energy to pump water efficiently, especially in off-grid areas. Pro tip. Combine these innovations with government subsidies or grants to make them cost-effective. If you've tried any of these methods, share your experiences in the comments. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Conduct a water audit before investing in new irrigation technology. This will help you identify inefficiencies and choose the right system to optimize water usage. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the latest irrigation farming technology. If you found it helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your farming community. What's your favorite irrigation technology, or what are you excited to try next? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy farming!